Hello everyone. You are watching Data Analytics Professionals. Please subscribe if you haven't until now and hit the notification bell so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. Thank you. This series of lecture is about AWS and machine learning. Current topic is benefits of cloud computing. This is lecture number 14 in the series, given by myself. My name is Shanaz Malik and I'm a data scientist. Well, in this lecture we are going to see the benefits of cloud computing. There are several benefits of cloud computing, but I'm going to mention some of them, those which are visible and extremely important. So first thing first is agility. So the cloud allows us to innovate faster because you can focus on your valuable IT resources on developing applications that differentiate your business and transform customer experiences rather than managing infrastructure and data centers. With cloud, we can also quickly spin up resources as much as we need, and we could deploy as many as few or deploy hundreds and even thousands of servers in minutes, depending upon the need of our business. The cloud also makes it extremely easy and fast to access a broad range of technologies, such as compute, storage, databases, analytics, machine learning, and many other services on an as need basis. You don't need to, create any strategies, how much you need to have, what you can do, whatever are your needs. You can go and purchase, pay as you go, and if you need more you can add, and if you think you have taken more than required you can always downgrade. So as a result you can quickly develop and roll out new applications, and your team can experiment and innovate more quickly and frequently. If an experiment fails you can always deprovision resources without risk. Okay, so this is few benefits, and the other which is very important is deploy globally in minutes. So with cloud you can easily deploy your application in multiple physical locations around the world with just a few clicks. And what that means is you can provide a lower latency and better experience for your customers simply and at minimal cost. Then one more benefit of cloud computing is elasticity. Before cloud computing, we all know, we had to over provision infrastructure to ensure that we had enough capacity to handle our business operations at peak level of activity. But now we can provide the amount of resources that we actually need, and knowing we can instantly scale up or down with the need of our business. And what it does is this reduces costs and improves our ability to meet our users' demands. And who doesn't love cost savings? So the cloud also allows us to trade capital expenses, data centers, physical servers, and extra for variable expense, and only pay for IT as you consume it. Plus the variable expense is much lower than what you can do for yourself because of the larger economies of scale. You just think of For example, Amazon as a company, purchasing uh, tens of thousands of servers all together, and just think how they could negotiate about the cost at which they can get such a large deal in comparison to if you and me have to go for provider and ask for a deal. So cost savings definitely a plus. These are some of the benefits that cloud computing brings. Certainly, there are other benefits as well. There are books, and you can go and read them. But I think we need to more concentrate on doing machine learning, and let's quickly go into that side. So it's my humble request until now, if you have found this lecture useful, then please subscribe to my course channel, and please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues, and please leave your feedback in the comments section. Your feedback is extremely important to improve the contents of future videos, and growing audience gives me more and more motivation to keep on making videos for all of you. Well, then it's the time to say thank you all, and I see you in the next video. And remember, sharing is caring. You're watching Data Analytics Professionals. Goodbye.